You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to delete an invite message on Instagram. Open the Instagram direct messages. Find the message containing the invite. Tap and hold the message bubble. Select unsend. Confirm by tapping unsend. The message will be removed from the chat for both you and the recipient. They will see a note saying you unsent a message. If you are an admin of a group and want to delete an invite message, you can also remove the entire participant. Go to the group, tap the group name, find the member, and tap remove. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.